Hello team, Paul here from Attach 2. Today we're going to be going over the root rake. Available from us in sizes from a 5 tonne through to a 25 tonne carrier, or a 45mm pin through to a 80mm pin. Designs when talking around a root rake is normally around the shape. There's a lot of terminologies for stick rakes, root rakes, etc. So obviously with how the tines are shaped. For us, you'll see we run quite a generous curve flow through. Actually a similar radius or similar profile to our wide buckets. What this will enable you to do is when doing things like rock work, etc. So if you're clearing large rocks, you can actually load out into your truck effectively. So as opposed to a stick rake where you're more just raking the sticks, exactly what it is. Ours is relatively universal. You'll see through here the exterior tine, or the two outside tines on either end, are oversized, so you're sitting up quite a bit higher on the end. That does help with that rock or demo work. Rather than the rocks rolling out, prevents them from rolling out sideways through it. You'll see here two full-length skewer bars. These run the full length from one end through to the other, penetrating through holes in each tine, rather than just butt welded in between. So that's full-length tines times two. Come through around to the front. We've got an integrated BIS 500 cutting edge. Same again, so the profile tines are cut in a profile around this, and then you've got your BIS 500 tips that come in over the top, and then hidden away and behind that is your full cutting edge. Really, really good for dragging around through roots, so gorse clearing, that kind of work. So obviously scratching, you can still scratch through without pulling the dirt up, but you can cut through roots systems with the cutting edge. Also really helps the end of these tines for strength, for bowing out sideways or kicking, bending tines in between. So very, very strong overall unit. So we come through, box section on the top, profiled around, come down, large sweep, full skewer bars, full cutting edge in the front. As always, it'll come with Attach 2's 3-year manufacturing and material defect warranty. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next one.